Guys, I just learned how to make your video 60 seconds. Okay, so this is a tutorial to how to make it. Now, firstly, you were just filming a normal video. That you can film as much clips as you want. But in just only 15 seconds. But, okay, so if you want more time, you need to press the like a button timer. Look, there's this red stuff, upper right. It's the how much time you can film your video. So you just press the button here on the side, and then it will be turned into 60 seconds. That is a tutorial to how to do it. So thank you guys for watching. Okay, meet me in the next video. Bye. By the way, say thank you to me later at the comments for the tutorial. Bye.